Hello everyone and welcome back. So today I thought I'd do a very quick update video of how I'm doing, in case some of you are wondering. If you remember right, a few days after I was declared recovered from coronavirus, I could sit up for between an hour and two. And by that point, my back would be hurting, everything else. Like, that was the max I could do. That was, even at that point, I'd be tired for a day or two. Like, the muscles would be tired, and I could barely do anything the next day. So, where am I at now? With slowly increasing, but going just to where I start feeling it every day by the time I go to bed. No farther than that, not pushing it really hard, everything else. So I am now at a point where I can sit up for about 4 hours a day plus time to eat meals. I'll sit up for those and not count that in that time period because I want to be able to know how long I can do things. I can drive kids around for part of that time, walk outside, drive kids around. That does not include walking to the bathroom and that type of thing. But I can walk outside, drive kids around as long as I stay in the car, and walk back in. I can't do that a lot of times, and I couldn't do 4 hours and go out 5 different times, but I can do 4 hours without ending up totally exhausted the next day. So that's even farther than I can do. I'm less exhausted after 4 hours than I was after 1 to 2 hours before. So that really shows a significant progress in the past about month since I started doing that. And it shows you, many of you have experienced that you start PT, different things like that, and you actually deteriorate rather than improve. And the reason I'm able to do that is because if I do push the muscles too far, and I admit I've done it once in a while, I will take the next day and basically just relax the whole day. So that my muscles have longer to heal. I think the vitamin C that I talked about in my hydration video is also helping with that, because that is giving my body extra to help heal with. So that's where I'm at with that. Obviously, some days I'm a lot worse for, just whatever reason. Some days I'm a lot better and I can go even farther. It just varies by the day, everything else. Where am I going to go from here? 1, I may start using my vibration machine again, to where just start out at just a couple of minutes. And at the end of the day, when I'm not tired, like if I have a day that I'm not tired out yet, my core's not tired, then I'll do that. And that's where I'll start from. One other thing I have been doing is making sure to work the other muscles, at least some every day, so I don't lose them more. My leg muscles and a few other things are a lot stronger than my core is right now. And so I've been making sure to work those out to keep them going while we try to recover my core muscles, so that it won't take as long once I get the core muscles to where I can walk. It shouldn't take as long to get where we want to be. So I am keeping up with PT. That's another thing that I feel is very helpful, keeps everything in, etc. So I will try to keep you updated. I'm not sure how often I'll do these update videos, but I thought it would be helpful to know because I know there's some people out there who feel there's no hope, that if you do it right, there is hope. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.